In a meeting with a partner, the most important part of a motion. Within the brief, you must present the facts, lay out your arguments, provide legal support for your positions, specify your requested relief, and anticipate and respond to opposing counsel's arguments. Wrapping the brief is a lot like baking a cake. Gather the necessary ingredients and follow the recipe. Your argument makes sense. To determine the format of your brief, the court's rules, the judges, and be on the lookout for page or word limits. Procedurally, your brief must contain the title that explains what your brief opposes or applies to, a signature block with your full contact information. The ingredients or substance of the brief is organized by section. The preliminary statement, the statement of facts, the argument, and the preliminary statement, similar to an introduction, contains the key arguments and facts supporting your request for relief. With direct and concise language, give the judge everything they need to decide the motion in your favor. Next is the statement of facts. In your statement of facts, be sure to cite to specific exhibits for each fact, organize your facts chronologically or by claim or argument. Use headings and subheadings to guide the judge, and highlight the facts most important to your argument. Following your statement of facts is the argument section. Here, you make your case and either respond to or anticipate the opposing party's arguments. In your argument, you should use descriptive headings to emphasize your main points, cite to relevant case law, governing law, and the facts. Use case law from your jurisdiction's higher courts. The more recent, the better. Apply your facts to the case law, and directly quote governing law. Finally, it is nothing more than the icing on the cake. You've already done the hard work of proving the brief should be very short and emphasize only 2 points establishing why you should prevail. Following these briefing writing strategies will help you achieve success for your client in court.